this video, we will see how to safely dismantle the MSafe narrow aluminium scaffolding with a tower height of 5.4 meters. First, both guardrails are removed. After that, the toe boards attached to all sides are taken off one by one. Then, the guardrail frame is unlocked and removed. When assembling or dismantling the narrow scaffolding, it is important to note that workers should always climb up or down the scaffolding from inside the tower using monkey climbing technique. They should also use safety harness. Next, the trapdoor platform is removed. Now, one by one, the diagonal braces on the second floor are taken off. Then, the 0.75 meter push-on frames on both sides are removed. Along with that, the outrigger triangular stabilizers are unlocked and taken off one by one. The remaining two diagonal braces are also removed. And then the horizontal braces on both sides are removed. After the frames are separated, the wheels are detached from each frame individually. And in this way, the MSafe narrow aluminium scaffolding can be completely and safely dismantled. Now, all the parts are kept together in one place. As you can see, if the scaffolding parts are stored properly, they can be stored in a very compact space. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell button next to it so that you can receive notifications for updates.